G'day guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new episode. Start off by saying I'm sorry that the videos have been lacking. If you do follow my Instagram, you do kind of see what's going on when I upload my stories. I've just needed this little break from doing car stuff, like when you run into problems, bad weather, and I want to see my friends and family, man. Like, because we've been in lockdown for like over a year, like it's just nice that everyone's finally going out again. And I've just been trying to catch up with all my friends and family, so hope you guys can respect that. I do see your comments and Instagram messages saying you guys want to see more. We will be pumping out content very soon because I still got a lot of work to do to the S14 and the R33, so there's plenty of content to come between both cars. And right now we're going to go pick up my mate's R32 GTR. This is another funny thing. I see a lot of comments as well, like because we're over 17,000 subscribers right now. Sometimes I'll see messages like, oh, I've been here since like, 40 subs, 500 subs, 2,000 subs. But if you're an OG CKJ follower, then you're definitely going to know the car that's going to be coming up, and I'll show you guys that very shortly. And I'm trying to do different things for videos. Like a lot of you guys have been saying, oh, chuck in some fishing and my skateboarding, and I think that's what I'm going to do because sometimes it's just too hard to get car content. Like sometimes I just need a break from the car stuff. As you guys know, it's pretty much nothing but headaches when you always work on cars. So we're going to go do the GTR stuff, and then we're going to go hit up a DIY skate spot and get some skate clips for you. I don't feel too well. I got pretty hungover on the weekend. I threw up for like 14 hours, so I think I got pretty alcohol poisoned. Feel a little haggard right now, but once we do the GTR stuff, we're going to go skate the DIY skate park, get you guys some skate clips. All right, finally got his rolling shell out of the driveway. Now we're going to trailer it. The joys of putting cars on trailers without an engine. So I'm going to quickly guide him and film the progress of this 32. Take your handbrake off. Yeah. Make sure you're all good. Keep straight, keep straight. Good running uphill, we should have done it on the downhill. Oh, I'm gonna feel like Rambo after this one. Oh, finally. There, man. All right, gotta strap this car down. Mighty Falcon can tow a GTR. If you guys don't remember, if you're an OG subscriber, you'll remember Josh's up. When we pull over, I'll film the engine bay and we'll talk about what's going on with the R32 GTR. So this man is going to spend big bank to convert all this.
Falling on a budget, Andrew, falling on a budget.
Dude, it's going to cost so much money, but it's going to be worth it. So this whole engine bay, as you guys are seeing right now, this is going to be a before shot. He's going to recondition everything in this engine bay, retuck the lines, everything's going to look a lot neater, repainted. So this is going to be a sick project again for Josh. And he can put his built RB26 single turbo back in, and this thing's going to look rowdy and sound awesome as hell. So yeah, let's do it before Josh. Oh man, this is all going to get fixed up. It's going to look so nice, man. And if they allow me to film in there, this is like GTR heaven, so I'm hoping they allow me to film inside the shop because I want to show you guys all the cool GTRs. I haven't been in this thing in ages. Like, if you guys remember from the early days in the videos, man, we used to cruise this thing a lot, but because he's rebuilding the engine, we just haven't been able to drive it and nothing. So once it's all done, we'll make another video update on this 32 GTR when it gets tuned and everything else. This plate number. But yeah, there's the GTR there. Best sticker ever. Oh man, this thing's gonna get all refreshed, dude. I can't wait for this thing to be running again, and then I can drag race you. So my 33 versus this. You'll probably chop me in the hills, but I don't know, it all comes down who's got the biggest balls.
We're gonna have similar power.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, four-wheel drive and some slicks.
I was just gonna get better tires. Alright, out skating. Let's see if he's got this trick down. He's gonna try roll up on this rail and land it for you guys. Oh, dude, you nearly had it, man. Good effort. And skateboarding is about having fun and learning new tricks. So I'm pretty happy if he gets this one right now. Oh, dude, so close, man. Yes, dude. Boom, got it. Oh, dude, that was... Why?
Hanged fucking 10, dude.
I don't know if I cleared. I'm gonna have to clarify when I put you guys on the computer. I think I kicked it and I caught it there. If I caught it there, I won't be happy with it. So, fuck it, man. If you look at the concrete there, over there, set your feet up to skate DIY, man.
All I hear is
work for it.
I just hear excuses, Andrew.
I'm saying, you gotta work for it, man. You can't be landing this shit if you're not putting any effort in.
You heard it here first. Don't be a bitch.
Oh, dude, see that? You're literally vertical with the wall, so it's pretty gnarly that you even still got about here. Oh shit! Oh, full
Yeah,
crack,
shit.
boy. Fuck it, I'm gonna go for a big one. I'll do it for you guys.
Just
Oh, the wall!
laid back.
That's what... We might call it a wrap with our skating. Pretty tired, man. As I said, got pretty plastered over the weekend. And I'm
Fuck the new world order!
And now, yeah, I'm pretty tired now, so probably not gonna skate too much now. But this is just a trial. So if you guys are this is just a trial. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hello. This is just a trial, so if you guys want to see some more skateboarding, let me know in the comment section. I'll chuck in some more skate clips with the car videos, because I just don't want to do car videos all the time. It gets boring. I like skateboarding. I love traveling to different skate parks, so if you guys want to see me skate all these different skate parks, let me know in the comment section. Cheers for filming, man. Let's go. Oh, you dog. Alright, one more.
That's a fucking discount version.
Oh, by the way, guys, I already landed it. I landed it, but guess who forgot to record it? So I have to do it again. So hit that like button because I'm working for it now. So as I said, we're gonna wrap it up and go home. I wanted to do one more trick, which is the trick that you guys just saw me do. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, man. I was working for that trick. I landed the trick, he forgot to film it. I was like, all right, man, I'll do it again. I do it again, he forgot to record twice. So you can imagine how stressed out I am because I'm working for this trick. I got the stitches, man. Like I'm gassed out, man. I'm tired, I'm wrecked. But I wanted to get that trick for you guys, and I mentally wanted to land it too. So the fact that I had to do it 3 times, of course I'm gonna be stressed out, man. Fuck. The reason why I'm saying this is because when I go for skates and I work for something, it's hard to work on your cars in this condition, man. Like, you want to be mentally fit, and right now I'm just exhausted, man. So of course I'm gonna be grouchy if I have to do the same trick 3 times. Damn. All right, man. That's enough of skating. When I go home, keep you guys updated on the S14 and R33. I'm just wrecked now. It is the next day, and I'm sorry that I didn't film any GTR stuff inside the shop. I thought to myself, you know what, I don't want to film customers' cars without their permission, so I didn't want to be that guy that just films people's stuff without them knowing. So when he gets his GTR sorted, we'll film some more stuff for it. But back to my car stuff, actually the skateboarding as well. Like, I really want to know what you guys think of it, so please let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more. Now with my cars, as you guys know, if you're a new viewer, I snapped the camshaft bolts into the top of the head where the cam caps sit. You got 2 bolts. I did them at 7 Newton meters and they snapped. I couldn't believe it. So I've taken the camshaft out of the exhaust cam as well because I want to replace all the bolts. I do not trust them, especially if I'm going to make like 300 plus kilowatts in this car as well. So I want to make sure everything is fresh with the camshafts. And with the R33, look, I know why you guys miss those videos. I do too. I miss driving my R33. I've slowly started pulling stuff apart, so a lot of work to happen with the 33 and the S14. And I want to get the S14 done ASAP, man. I miss drifting, so I definitely want to be at the next Keep It Read event, but I can't make it because still got quite a bit of work to do. So that just means more content, basically. Alright dudes, I'm gonna wrap up the video. I don't think there's anything else to chuck into this video, so hopefully the next one we get this stuff sorted. Don't forget to share this video to your mates, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next episode. Catch you guys later.